Guys, today I'm going to prank call Subway and do a pre-order of subs. I'm gonna make a really weird voice. So, here we go. There's the number. Ring, ring, ring. Hey, Mr. Man, yeah, I'd like an order of like 17 subs. My name's Sir. Just give me some subs. I don't care what's on it. Just give me some subs. Sir. Ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, no, I do not want to talk to your manager. Can you please give me those subs? They're not gonna be done until tomorrow. You know what? That's just bullcrap. I think I need them now because I'm like having a. I'm going to a ballroom dance down in the basement and I like need them now. So just give me those nice Italian subs like that you know you guys have. They feel real. Yeah, they're nice. They're nice. Sir, this is not a prank phone call. Sir, don't call my voice stupid. There's people out there in the world that are like this, and you just call them stupid, like mentally retarded. So, seriously, that's not right. Conserve the world and all its inhabitants. Sir. I mean, ma'am, I do not want to speak to your manager. Okay, put your manager on the phone. You know, put your manager on the phone. What do you mean your manager is not there? Hey, since I'm 16, I'm gonna give you the phone to my mom. So you know what? So you'll have to go through her. Here's my mom.
Hello, sir. Sir, you just call my boy mentally retarded? So that's not right. You know what? I can see that with all I had. Sir. Sir. I like the subs at Subway. They are very tasty. Yes, I want those Italian subs. Sir, this is not a phone call, and I am his mother. I'm not the man that you were talking to, because see, I'm a girl, and I like gave birth to that kid. Sir. Sir. Sir, don't you hang up on me. I'm going to hang up on you first. Sir. Sir, why can't you just give me 15 subs on the play tray, and then we can, like, be done with this whole nonsense? Sir, I don't care if you have to pre-order them. Just... Sir. Okay, I'd like some mayonnaise, some banana peppers on a chicken breast with a with some stalky mushrooms. Sir, don't give me that. Sir, don't give me that. Oh. Sir. Oh, sir, I have a really sore throat and I'm like really sick, so can you like hurry up? Sir, this is not a prank phone call, proper than it is, because that's not that right. Sir? Sir? Sir! You know what? Bye. Well, that was me prank calling them. I'll try it again some other time. Well, bye.